Hello friends, welcome to BISP Solution. My name is Mukesh Gandhi. In this video, I am going to show you how to enable account business plans. In the Oracle Fusion application, the default class of the business plan is partner business plan. So there are two types of business plan. First is partner business plan and second one is account business plan. So I'm going to enable the account business plan over here because the default class of the business plan is the partner business plan. If the requirement is the only manage partner business plan, then you don't need to make any changes related to the business plan class. If if you manage only account business plan, then you must take one change related to the business plan using the task called manage business plan classes in the setup and maintenance. So now let's see how to enable account business plan in the Oracle Fusion application. So let's move the application. So this is the home page of the application, and scroll down and this is the business plan tab. You can open from here. Either you can click on this navigator and click on the cells, and you can open the business plan from here. So click on this create business plan. So this is the create business plan page. You can see that there is no any field related to class. In that class, you can select the account business plan. You can select the partner business plan. So there is no any class field. So I'm going to enable it. So cancel it and click on this home page. So now my first step is create a sandbox. So in order to create a sandbox, click on this navigator. Scroll down. In the configuration part, click on these sandboxes. So click on this create sandbox button in order to create a new sandbox. So let's enter the name of the sandbox. So I'm going to enter BISP underscore enable business plan. Now I'm selecting the application composer from the list of the tools. Now click create and enter. So this is the process. You can create a sandbox. See, the sandbox get created. Now my next step is click on this navigator. In the configuration part, click on this application composer. In the application composer part, click on this standard object, expand it, scroll down, click on this expand button of business plan and click on these pages. So first we create a duplicate layout for the landing page layout, and after that we can create a duplicate page layout for the creation page layout. So I'm going to create for the landing page layout. So select the standard layout. So I'm going to select it and then I click on this duplicate landing page layout button. So let's enter the name of this duplicate layout. So I'm going to enter BISP underscore account business plan. 1. So click on this save and edit. So it will take few seconds to complete this process. Create a duplicate layout for the landing page. Now, this is the landing page layout page. This is the business plan overview table. Click on this edit icon. Click on that. Now I'm going to configure the fields. So now I'm selecting the account field from the available field and move to the selected field. And likewise, I'm selecting the class and move to the selected field. Now click on save and close. So this process is enable the fields to display on the create business plans. Now click on done. So likewise, we have to create a duplicate layout for the creation page layout. So I'm going to select standard layout. So I select it and click on this duplicate creation page layout. Again, I'm going to enter BISP underscore account underscore business plans underscore 2. Save and edit. So this is the creation layout page. So in this page, I have to click on this edit icon over here for the business plan create. So I'm going to click it, and now I'm going to configure these fields. So I'm selecting the class from the available field and move to the selected field. Click on save and close. Click on done. Let's check the changes we have done. We just made. So I'm going to click on navigator. Click on this business plan in the cells. Click on this create business plan. So you can see over here the class field display on this page. So it gets enabled. Now click on this drop down menu. You can see here there are three options: the account, the partner, and the territory. So this is the business plan over here. Now you can select the account and you can save a business plans for the account business plan. Now from the this class fields, you can either disable all the class except the account, and if you want to manage all the business plans in the list, which is like account, partner, and territory, then you can must ensure that all the business plans are enabled using the manage business plan class task in the setup and maintenance. So when you enable the account, then it shows the accounts. When you enable the partner business plan, then it shows the partner business plan. So I'm going to show you how it works. Then first we click on cancel and then click on this publish. Click on yes. Click on publish. Whatever the changes we made, that it's saved by the sandbox publish. It will take few seconds to complete this progress. Current status is publishing. After completing this process, the current status gets changed to the published. Now click on done. So this is the process to publish the sandbox. Now let's move to the business plan. Click on this navigator, click on cells, click on business plan. Click on this create business plan. So this is the class over here. With the help of that, you can select the account business plan, you can select the partner business plan, and you select the territory business plan. So I'm going to disable the territory business plan and partner business plan in order to you in that process you can select only the account business plan. So I'm going to click on this cancel button. Now click on this setting and action menu. Click on this setup and maintenance. Let's select the cells from the setup list. In the functional area, I have to select the business plans. In the task, let's select the manage business plans classes, manage business plan classes. Now this is the page over here. You can enable the you can disable the account, territory, and partner. So when I when I disable the territory and partner, now the both territory and partners are disabled. Only the accounts are enabled. Now click on save and close. Let's check. So click on this navigator. Click on business plan. Click on create business plan. In the class, you can see over here only the account business plan are enabled and the rest of the business plans are disabled. So this is the process, this is the whole process. You can enable the account business plan and you can disable rest of the business plan. Hope you understand. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you so much.